how to do a boomerang on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a boomerang on Snapchat. If this is something that you're interested in, then make sure to follow all the steps and stick till the end. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any future uploads from our channel. Now firstly, open up the Snapchat application on your device. Now press and hold the camera button to record a video. Now firstly, mute this video by tapping on the sound icon on the right sidebar. And there on the right sidebar, you will also see the loop icon. You have to tap on that loop icon. And there again click that loop icon twice. Now to make the video loop infinity, click this icon again. Now this will give your video the boomerang effect. After this, you can add extra options to your videos like text or stickers. And once you're done with editing your video, tap on next button. Now you can set this as your story, or you can send the snap directly to a friend. Now that was the quick and easy video on how you can boomerang on Snapchat. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.